Gray sky whispers soft within. I see your steps, I feel your pace, but sometimes I drift from place. Love surround me, deep and wide. I see them lights in every room, but some days feel like heavy gloom. I laugh with them, I play me part, but silence echo in me heart. I hold them close inside my mind. Them lift me up, them treat me kind. Cold rain keep me walking, even when we feel alone. Girls laugh, sun watching. We hold tight when we moan. We not alone, though the feeling stays. Still we rise and walk away. I see you tired, but still you try. You lift me up and never cry. I draw you heroes just like you, strong and kind in all you do. I wait for you when days feel long. I stay beside you, quiet and strong. We go to shops, we take it slow. I'm with you, Dad, just so you know. You are their reason, you are their grace. Even when you slow your pace, I see your heart behind the rain, still standing strong through silent pain. Through winter chill and cloudy skies, I sit beside you, no disguise. Cold rain keep we walking, even when we feel alone. Girls laugh, sun watching. We hold tight when we moan. We not alone, though the ache is real. Still we rise and walk uphill.